my friend Stephanie Bernard, The Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. First of all, somebody had a birthday. But we've just had an amazing month at the Stamps of Life. We've released so many fun products. We had a great time at our online event. And now I just want to do kind of like a recap of everything because I'm a little concerned you might have missed something and I want to make sure that you saw them all, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. We first started out the month with our fun snails to stamp and all of the add-ons that you could get with it. We had the fun patterns, the solids, the extra little stamps, including this cute little bashful guy, which is so cute. We also released the fun flower background die with the match with the coordinating sign, which is really fun. I love how the little snails go underneath the flowers. I just think it's so adorable. We also, oh, here's another one. Love it. Look how cute that is. Enjoy the slow life with that fun jar. I have so much fun with that one. Look how cute that is with the solid stamps to color those. And look at this one. This one's probably one of my favorites from this month. I love seeing the turtle, the sloth, and the snail all together. Aren't they absolutely adorable? I know, I love it. Now, we also released our famous Newport flower. I used this flower on my banners for Mother's Day, and we've gotten so many people saying, when is that coming out? Well, guess what? It came out. Yay, finally. And yes, it does make a shaker. We also released a tri background die. Now, this went with our original tri background die, which is so absolutely fun. And here's another example of it with that fun little sun. I love it. And then we released another one, the basic one. Now the basic one is important because if you just want a solid piece, you would use the basic. But the basic also comes with those fun dots all the way around the edges, which just adds another little element to these tri backgrounds, which is really fun because all of the pieces are interchangeable, mix and match, and you get to decide what kind of background you want, which is so much fun, right? I know, I love them too. I love them too, let me tell you. Now, we released a little peep this month, and our little peep this month was our fun elephant. Now, it's so funny to say little and elephant in the same sentence, but let's just say he is a little peep, and all of his clothing matches all of the other little peep clothing, so you get to mix and match on the clothing, which is so fun. And look at this in our cute little pool folded. I love it. Now, we also released our gorgeous card base that's the single scallop. So it means that only one side is scalloped, the other side is rounded. So it doesn't have the scallops that match. So it's a little different, but the amazing part of this die is the flowers. The flowers are all layerable. You can layer them. You can use them separately with an epoxy dot. Oh, and our big hello that we just released. But look at how many different options. Those flowers are so interchangeable, and you can even use them as snowflakes if you want to, which is really fun. We also released our fun that accidentally got lost in the shuffle, our fun congrats die. Now the congrats die, here it is on the A1 decollage that came in our kit club not that long ago. But look at how gorgeous that congrats is. It's long and skinny, and you know what? You can use it without the shadow or with the shadow, which is really fun. We also released, I know I told you it was a big month, Happy Birthday, which I really love because it's so interchangeable. What you're gonna do with it is you can have it go that way or this way. You can use it with or without the shadows, and so many different options. You could do happy on one side and birthday on the inside if you wanted to. I absolutely love it. Oh, here's another congrats that got lost in the shuffle. Look how cute that is on a mini slimline. Love it. Now, we also released Hello, my friend, the Let's Stay in Touch stamp set was already released, but we released dies that match. So now there are dies for those big words, so you can die cut them and use them separately or with the stamps, which is really nice. So here it is stamped and then also die cut as well, which is fun. And last but certainly not least, Yabba Dabba Doo. Look at our long neck. I call him long neck. Yes, I know he's a brontosaurus, but brontosaurus is too long to write, right? So we call him long neck, and it's easier to spell, long neck. But look at how cute he is with our little Kirsten and our little Liam little peeps. Here he is on a 5x7. He is 5x7 in size. He can be a folded, he could be a scrapbook page. He could also be a big card. He could be on a big card or on a banner. So many different options with him. So much fun. So, woo, what a month it's been, right? We also released 3D ink, a new one. So much fun. And I haven't even shown you what we released on our online event. Too exciting to show. You've got to go check it out on the website, thestampsoflife.com. And you know what? Every month we release brand new items, and our club discounts give you a sale every single day. And a lot of times when an item is brand new on our website, the first 24 hours, a lot of times they're on flash sale as well. Make sure you get our newsletter. We send out a newsletter probably once a week, but you're going to want to get those newsletters to be informed on when the new products are coming out to take advantage of those flash sales. Thanks so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.